At Sunrise, you've often heard us refer to ourselves as family. Nothing showed to be more true during the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Here is another pocket of sunshine.
Tell us what you need. Tell us how people can maybe even be in touch to help your community in particular, because I know that you are making those treks. I know that you are guiding people towards your community. So tell us what we can do to help.
All right, so first, like I would say, sanitization, like it is needed. If it's even to get like water trucks to go and just like wash out these places, you know, just ensure that it is sanitized, because again, persons are traversing from Kingston to Westmoreland, going back and forth, and it is not sanitary. So we really and truly you know, would love for persons to just try come sanitize, try to clean up the area as best as possible. And in regards to infrastructure, that is going to come, but for now, at least to try and see if we can build like temporary shelters so persons can stay, and again, put things in place for persons in these shelters, security, because we also have to understand that everybody is mixing, and you have children, you have adults, you have persons who aren't, they might not be the perfect person, so we still need to ensure that they're safe. In regards to water, they need water, like we cannot even stress how much they need water. I was, when we were driving back, persons were on the roadside begging for water, so persons, they are thirsty, they need food, they need hot meals, so if persons can really go and just like, you know, provide meals for them, that is needed as well. You know, but sanitization, food, water, and house-to-house checks, because again, we cannot just feel like it's everybody that is coming in. You know, house-to-house check. It's really important.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And thank you for all that you're doing, and thank you for showing up for your family in the best way, and being here with us this morning. And you know we're going to throw all our support your way.
Thank you so much. And before we go, I know that we're strapped for time. I know, guys. But I just want to say, we have, oh Jesus.
It's okay.
We have a team here at CVM, especially on Sunrise. Like, you guys are heroes. When I couldn't hear from, when I lost signal and I couldn't hear from Mommy, I messaged Dennis, and Dennis got his, either his friend or his colleague to go and find her. And he sent me the voice note, and because when I hear Mommy and she say, I don't want her to fret and know that it was bad, because my parents, they're very strong, and they use like humor to cover emotion. So when I hear Mommy say, yeah man, we're all right, but Ren, I don't want her to fret, like she whisper. And Dennis sent me so that I could at least have peace of mind to know that they were okay. And you know, Yendi reached out to me on the morning of the hurricane and said, Ren, Sav, you know, so they went there. I remember when I'm coming from Sav, Miss Kitty was calling me, but because no signal is there, so I couldn't get the call. When I was going down, Keish, my boss, she came like around 10 o'clock, and I know that she was tired, and I know that, you know, she has been here. She came by and she ensured that I got stuff so that I could bring down. Shanna, Renee's sister, my team from UE, Peter Gay, Nakinski, Morgan, you know, we just put together and ensure that our families are okay. We didn't know where we're going to start, but we just said we have to ensure that our family is okay, and then anybody in the community, so that they would be okay. And guys, let me tell you, when I started driving, I couldn't recognize nowhere at all, and like, Ren car at one point, he said, you guys have been driving for more than 2 hours, you need to take a rest. And like, we were just in there, just completely traumatized with everything that we were saying, but they just come by and they say, Ren, I'm coming with you, I'm going to be there with you. Shanna basically emptied out her closet so that we could bring down clothes to help persons. We didn't know what we were going in. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. Thanks Patricia, thanks Tammy, thanks IT for the prize, everybody here. You guys have been, you know, my strength, and I am completely grateful. I am grateful for every single person that took the opportunity to go to Westmoreland and help them say, no matter what, like, no matter what nobody say, even if them say, you guys are doing it for the image, do it for the image and take the picture and post it as long as you're doing it, because when you post the pictures, people see that Westmoreland, it needs help, and we've been asking all along for help. We've been asking for persons to get like housing, we've been asking for persons to get even documents so that they can get land. You see, it's mostly wooden structure. Persons are on leased land, they can't build concrete house on leased land, so that's why a lot of wooden houses there, they hardly have jobs where they can at least say, you know, make money to build the house the way how they would want to do it. These are trying persons. Farmers as well lose everything, lose all of their business. So just continue to be strong, just continue to help them. And I'm just, some persons will say there's blessing in disaster. And let me tell you, now at least Jamaica can see that the western part of the island, it was struggling, and now they're getting the help and they're getting the attention that they need. So again, thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all of you at CVM. You guys have been my strength, and I wouldn't want to work anywhere else.
Oh, sis. Ren, thank you so much for being here and sharing with us like this. You know we're going to everything.
Real
you know
experiences.
We're not stop.
Our guest, our very own Renee Robinson, resident of Westmoreland, sharing heartfelt experiences. Associate producer here at Sunrise. Together we are stronger. Together, let me say that again, we'll build back the homes in rural Jamaica, because believe me, everyone getting a touch of Hurricane Melissa one way or another.
What a blessing to be able to witness strength, love, and the power of family. Well, it's my honor to introduce a man who knows a thing or five about family, Mr. Wayne Marshall Mitchell.
Yeah. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. Our Redeemer, saving grace. I know I'm not worthy to see your face. I try hard, but I make mistakes. You're still by my side every step that I take. Through every heartache, you get the praise. You are my guide, I'm a shield always. Every time me a gaze, I play hard days. You still show mercy and keep us safe. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. All-powerful, omnipotent, shine down your glory, your magnificence. When you build a fence, it make all the difference. Step in on my life and take precedence. Be the captain, the pilot, the teacher, and be the head and be the boss and the leader. Be my guide, my shepherd and my keeper. Beginning and the end, you are the Alpha Omega. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. Even when they plot and scheme and try to stop me, even when them try them best to take my glory, I said, I leave it in your hands, my Lord. Yeah, yeah. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee. who have hurt us. Come on, people, God is love, and love covers a multitude of sin. Let love go and let it flow this holiday season. Glory be to God. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.
It's often been said that home is not a place, it's a feeling of love, security, and joy. Savannah joins us now with Home.
Yes, I made the choice. For Papa, I will stay. But I don't deserve to lose my freedom in this way, you monster. If you think that what you've done is right, well then, you're a fool. Think again. Is this home? Is this where I should learn to be happy? Never dreamed that a home could be dark and cold. I was told every day in my childhood, even when we growed, home will be where the heart is. Never a word so true. My heart's far, far away. Home is too